Good morning students. Today now let us continue the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. First question, the difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Solution, let two numbers be x and y. The difference between two numbers is 26. Therefore, choosing two numbers, let two numbers be x and y. Choosing x greater than y. X is a greater than number and y is a small number. By according to the question, the difference between two numbers, difference is a subtraction. Difference between two numbers, x minus y, greater than number minus smaller number, is 26. Therefore, first condition x minus y equal to 26 is a equation number 1. And one number is 3 times the other. One number. The one number is a greater than number. One number x equal to 3 times the other. 3 times the other. 3y. X equal to 3y. Equation number 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in 1. The value of x equal to 3y in the first equation, 3y minus y equal to 26. 3y minus y equal to 26. 3y minus y oda value 2y equal to 26. Therefore, y equal to 26 by 2. Therefore, y equal to 3. Apply the value y equal to, 26. Multiply right hand side vanda divide. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, the value of y equal to 13. Equation, apply y equal to 13 in equation number 2. X equal to 3y. Therefore, x equal to 3 into 13. Therefore, x equal to 3 into 13 oda value 39. Therefore, the two numbers are 39 and 13. Check panni parunga. 39 minus 13 oda value 26. Therefore, 3 into 13 oda value 39. Therefore, x equal to 3y. Therefore, the answer is correct. The two numbers are 39 and 13. Second question. The larger of two supplementary angle, x is the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Solution. Let the larger angle be x. Larger angle be x. The larger of two supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is the sum of two angle is 180 degree. Supplementary. The sum of two angle is 180 degree. The one angle, the larger angle x and the smaller angle be y. Smaller angle be y. By question, the supplementary angle. Therefore, the sum of two angle, larger angle and smaller angle, the sum of two angle addition is 180 degree is a first condition. Second condition, the larger of two supplementary angles, x is the smaller by 18 degree. The larger angle value x, the larger value x equal to exceeds, x is na x plus. X is na adhigam. Smaller by 18 degree. Smaller value oda y. Smaller value y plus 18 degree. Smaller angle oda 18 adhigam. Therefore, x equal to y plus 18. Plus y left hand side vanda minus. Therefore, x minus y equal to 18. The sum solving cancellation method. X plus y equal to 180. X minus y equal to 18 degree. Therefore, adding two equation, plus y minus y cancel, x plus x equal to 2x, 180 plus 18 oda value 198. Therefore, x equal to 198, multiply right hand side vanda divide. Therefore, x equal to 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1 9 2s are 18. Therefore, x equal to 99. Therefore, substitute in the equation 1, x plus y equal to 180. X plus y equal to 180. Therefore, the value of x equal to 99 plus y equal to 180. Therefore, y equal to 180 plus 99 right hand side vanda minus 99. 180 minus 99 oda value 81. Therefore, y equal to 81 degree. Therefore, the two angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. It is a larger angle, it is a smaller angle. Adding the two value is 180 degree, the supplementary angle. The sum of two angle is 118. It is a supplementary angle. Third question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Solution. Let the cost of bat and ball be x and y. The cost of bat oda cost x and the ball oda cost y. The cost of bat and ball be x and y. The coach of cricket team buys 7 bats. Therefore 7x and 6 balls plus 6y. The total cost 3,800 rupees is a equation number 1. Next, later she buys 3 bats, therefore 3x and 5 balls 5y equal to the total cost 1,750, equation number 2. The sum solving elimination method, cancelling y. Therefore the first multiplying first equation into 5. 6 5s are 30. Second equation is 6 all multiply பண்றோம். You getting the y term first. Therefore 1 into 5. 7 5s are 35x plus 6 5s are 30y equal to 3,800 into 5 oda value 19,000. 19,000. 2 into 6. Equation 2 into 6. 3 6 are 18x plus 5 6 are 30y equal to 1,750 in 6 oda value 10,500. Therefore, two equations subtract பண்றப்ப sign change பண்ணோம். minus plus 30y minus 35 oda value cancel. 35x minus 18x oda value 17x equal to 19,000 minus 10,500 value 8,500. Therefore x equal to 8,500 by multiply right hand side vanda divide. Therefore 117 17 5 into 17 85. Therefore the value of x equal to 500. Substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 is a simple equation. Therefore substitute in equation 2. 3x plus 5y equal to 1,750. 3 into x oda value 500. 3 into 500 plus 5y equal to 1750. 1,750. 3 into 500 oda value 1,500 plus 5y equal to 1,750. Therefore 5y equal to 1,750 minus plus right hand side move panna 1,500. Therefore 5y equal to 1,750 minus 1,500 oda value 250. Therefore y equal to 250 by 5. Therefore y equal to 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 0. Therefore y equal to 50. Therefore the cost of bat rupees 500. One bat oda cost rupees 500 and one ball oda cost rupees 50 rupees. Fourth question. The taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. And for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Solution. A taxi charged in a city consists of a fixed charge together. Taxi book பண்ணாவே fixed charge ஓட rupees எவ்வளோ rupees x and per kilometer charge be rupees y. Travel பண்ணக்கூடிய கிலோமீட்டருக்கு extra charges rupees y. For a distance of 10 kilometer 10 kilometer travel பண்ணிங்கன்னா charge paid 105. X is a fixed charge plus extra traveling 10 kilometer. Therefore 10y equal to 105. 10y equal to 105. X is a fixed, y is a per kilometer charge. Therefore x plus 10y equal to 105. And for journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is 155. அப்போ x is a fixed amount plus extra travel பண்ணக்கூடிய distance 15 kilometer. Therefore 15y paid amount 155. It is a equation number 1 and equation number 2. 1 minus 2. Subtract equation 1 minus 2. Subtract பண்ணுறப்போ sign change. Minus plus x minus x cancel. 10y minus 15y ஓட value minus 5y equal to 105 minus 155 ஓட value minus 50. Minus cancel. Therefore y equal to 50. Multiply right hand side வந்தா divide. Therefore y equal to 10. Substitute in equation 1. X plus 10y equal to 105. X plus 10. The value of y ஓட value 10 equal to 105. 100 into 100 ஓட 10 into 10 ஓட multiplication பண்ணிங்கன்னா 100 equal to 105. Therefore equal to 105 plus under right hand side move பண்ணா minus 100. Therefore x equal to 5. Hence the fixed charge rupees 5. Per kilometer charge rupees 10. The kilometer charge rupees 10. The fixed charge 5 rupees. Per kilometer charge extra charge rupees 10. Next question. Continue the question. How much does a person have pay traveling distance of 25 km? 25 km travel பண்ணிங்கன்னா எவ்வளோ பே பண்ண போகிறீங்கன்றத கேட்குறாங்க. அப்போ x is a fixed amount. 25 km travel பண்ணக்கூடியது 25y. Therefore 5 plus 25 into 10. 5 plus 25 into 10 multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 250. Therefore rupees 255. ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 255. Therefore 25 km travel பண்ணிங்கன்னா பே பண்ணக்கூடிய அமௌண்ட்டு therefore 255 rupees. Question number 5. The fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Question over 2 times read பண்ணுங்க. Solution. Let the fraction be x by y. Fraction x by y ன்னு choose பண்ணுறோம். By according to the question, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. Fraction ஓட value 9 by 11. If 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Numerator கூட plus 2 add பண்ணுறோம். Denominator கூட plus 2 add பண்ணுறோம். Both numerator and denominator is added to. Therefore x plus 2 by y plus 2 equal to 9 by 11 is a first condition. Second condition, if 3 is added to both numerator and the denominator, adding 3, both numerator and denominator to the fraction x plus 3 by y plus 3, it becomes 5 by 6. The value is 5 by 6 equal to 5 by 6. Cross multiplying 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. Multiplying 11 in the bracket. 11 into x, 11x plus 11 into 2, 22 equal to 9 into y plus 2, 9y plus 9 2s are 18. Therefore, simplifying the equation, 11x plus 9y left hand side வந்தா minus 9y equal to 18 plus 22 right hand side move பண்ணிங்கன்னா minus 22. Therefore, 11x minus 9y equal to 18 minus 22 ஓட value minus 4. Next, multiplying, cross multiplying 6 into x plus 3 equal to 5 into y plus 3. 6 into x, 6x plus 6 3s are 18 equal to 5 into y, 5y, 5 3s are 15. 6x plus 5y left hand side move பண்ணிங்கன்னா minus 5y equal to 15 plus 18 right hand side move பண்ணிங்கன்னா minus 18. Therefore 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. For the solving by cross multiplication method, using cross multiplication method, cross multiplication method na constant term left hand side irukona. Therefore 11x minus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. 6x minus 5y plus 3 equal to 0. இப்படி ரைட் பண்ணுறோம். செகண்ட் டேர்ம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரைட் minus 9 4 11 minus 9 minus 9 4 11 minus 9. Next minus 5 3 6 minus 5 x y 1. X by, first the cross multiplying 9 3s are minus 27. This opposite sign, 5 4s are minus 20. Opposite sign plus 20. Opposite sign this side equal to y by 6 4s are 24. 3 11s are 33. Opposite symbol minus 33 equal to 1 by 11 5s are minus 55. 6 9s are minus 54. Opposite sign plus 54. This side opposite sign, plus na minus, minus na plus. Therefore x by minus 27 plus 20 oda value minus 7 equal to y by 24 minus 33 oda value minus 9 equal to 1 by minus 55 plus 54 oda value minus 1. Therefore x equal to minus 7 by minus 1 comma y equal to minus 9 by minus 1. Minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel. Therefore x equal to 7 and y equal to 9. Therefore the fraction 7 by 9. The fraction x by y, therefore 7 by 9. Sixth question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? Solution. The Jacob age will be x years and the son age y years. Choosing Jacob age x years, Jacob's son age choosing y years. 5 years hence அப்படின்னா plus add பண்ணணும். 5 years hence, the Jacob age x plus 5, son age y plus 5. Son age y plus 5. First condition, 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be x plus 5 equal to 3 times of the son. 3 times son of the age. 3 into y plus 5 is a first condition. Simplify the first condition. X plus 5 equal to 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 5, 15. 3 5s are 15. X minus 3y plus 5 right hand side move பண்ணா minus 5. 15 minus 5. X minus 3y equal to 10. Okay, equation number 1. Second condition. 5 years ago, முன்னாடி 5 years ago, the Jacob age 5 years ago, x minus 5, son age y minus 5. 5 years ago, the Jacob age x minus 5 and the son age y minus 5. By question, Jacob age will be 7 times of the son of age. Jacob age x minus 5 equal to 7 times the son of the age. 7 times the son of the age. Simplifying the equation, x minus 5 equal to 7 into y, 7y. 7 5s are 35. X minus plus 7y left hand side move பண்ணா minus x minus 7y equal to minus 5 right hand side வந்தால் 5 minus 35. Therefore x minus 7y equal to 5 minus 35 oda value minus 30. It is a equation number 2. Subtract 1 minus 2. First equation. Second. Subtract பண்ணுறப்போ sign change பண்ணுறோம். Plus x minus x cancel. Plus 7y minus 3y ஓட value 4y. Plus 30 plus 10 ஓட value 40. அப்போ y equal to 40 by 4. Y equal to 10. Apply in equation 1. X minus 3 into 10 equal to 10. X minus 3y. The value of y is 10. X minus 3 into 10, 30 equal to 10. X equal to 10 plus 30. X equal to 40. Therefore, the Jacob age 40 years and the son age 10 years.